Which features from the housing dataset do you think are the most important? Write down the top 3 features and why you think they are important to predict the cost of a home, and we'll soon find out if you're right. Why are features so important? Feature importance is the process of finding the most important features to help predict a target. Each feature or column in your dataset impacts the final prediction, some more than others. There are various ways to calculate feature importance today. We'll discuss feature importance for tree-based models. The overall goal of feature importance is to improve predictions and reduce the training time and overall costs by selecting the top features that have the most impact on the outcome, in our case, the cost of a home. After you understand feature importance, you retrain the model with the most important features. This gives you a less complex model to maintain, but more importantly, the results from identifying important features can feed directly into model testing and model explainability. Explainability helps you better understand why your model makes certain predictions and can boost the overall confidence in your model. I bet you're thinking, that all sounds great, but how do I determine which features are the most important for training my model? Some algorithms have feature importance methods inherently built within the model. Tree-based models produced from scikit-learn's decision tree, random forest, and gradient boosting algorithms have feature importance embedded directly into them. You'll have direct access to these scores through the feature importances property after training your model. Let's take a look at the code. Here we are using the random forest regressor learning algorithm from the scikit-learn library. We trained our models, and now we have this attribute available called feature importances that tells you the relevance of the features. You can provide the number here to plot the most important features on a matplotlib graph. In this case, we've selected 6 features. This graph shows us that median income is the most important feature when determining what a home will sell for, with population per household and ocean proximity inland close behind. Now that we know this information, we'll retrain the model with only these features. We remove the unneeded features and store the updated values in train.xif. Notice here it's bedrooms per room, housing median age, coordinates, ocean proximity inland, population per household, and median income. The next step is to create a new random forest regressor object to train the model. And as always, we call the fit function to start the training process. And then we run the predictions on the test data using the predict function. Once we have our predictions, let's recalculate the root mean square error to understand how the predicted results deviate from the actual number. Now, this number is amazing, 57,366. Using only 6 features provides a similar performance to the previous model, where we used all of the features. This means we can reduce the complexity of the model and better explain why our model makes certain predictions. Feature importance is an integral part of model development. Now that you can calculate it and adjust the training process to support it, let's discuss ways to combat bias.